and I'm here to guide you through everything related to our business and system. And I truly hope we do great business together, because that's basically why you are here for, right? So we are trying to make this as premium and selective as possible, so we don't get spammed, because that would be a waste of time and resources. We have made sure to build the most organized and complete system possible in order to make things easy for both of you and us. And this step is called testing, and it's very important. Before we go deeper into this, there is some technical terms related to telecom that you need to understand first, and there is some orders that are lower, like 90%, 80%, and in the worst cases, some can go as low as 50%. Now, let me explain why test is very important. Inside our dashboard, you will find close to 10K. That's due actually to rotations made by the providers and platforms, not us. Concerning the apps and websites you should target, we'll give you app idea from time to time, or you can bring your own, totally fine for both. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, we have got video tutorials, a clean dashboard to track your work and run test, technical and non-technical support, real world examples for you to get motivated to start. We have got starter scripts to get things going quick for non-automation specialists, and there is a lot more actually, all designed to make the workflow as smooth as possible for both you and us.